Welcome to Solid Solutions Process Demonstration. This slideshow demonstrates the process Solid Solutions uses with Magmasoft Software to test and solve your gating and risering designs. This slide shows the initial layout of a hub casting showing cope and drag views. After running the layout in Magmasoft, the results on the left in X-ray vision show areas of predicted porosity as light blue. The sectioned part on the right shows the location and degree of porosity. This picture of the sectioned casting at 76% solidified shows remaining liquid as light blue. At this point, the riser is still mostly liquid, but the feed path to the T section of the casting is cut off. This results in the shrink seen in the T section. Only a large pad between the casting and the T would allow the riser to work and eliminate this shrink. This pad would be costly to remove in finishing. The next step in the search for a least cost gating solution was to try the part turned over as shown on this slide. The results were the same as the first trial with shrink in the T section. An exothermic top riser sleeve was then tried in place of the side riser. Two different sizes were tried, the larger riser sleeve on the left and the smaller on the right. The results of this trial show the smaller riser on the right had gate shrink under the riser, as well as shrink on the opposite side of the casting away from the riser. The larger riser on the left had no gate shrink, but did show shrink on the opposite side of the casting away from the riser. To eliminate the shrink, it is necessary to add risers on both sides of the casting. Once again, two sized riser sleeves were tested. The final simulation showed the casting with the smaller risers on the right still had gate shrink directly under both risers. The risers on the casting on the left were effective in eliminating shrink from the casting with minimal finishing cost and excellent yield. Actual sample results confirmed what the simulation showed. Thanks to this process, this new job was sampled one time with sound results and a least cost gating system, saving time and money. Solid Solutions is ready to work with your foundry to reduce scrap and help solve your gating and risering problems before the pattern arrives. This minimizes sampling and makes new job startup fast and efficient. The cost of this service is about the same as the cost of one regate and resample, and your production cost will be minimized. For information on how to get started with your first project, visit solidsolutionsforfoundries.com or email dmbull@comcast.net. To reach by phone, call 651-336-4318. Thank you for watching our process demonstration.